Hey everybody, it's Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors. I am at the Bass and Saltwater Expo here in Raleigh for 2026. It's the last day of the show, but I figured I'd bring the camera this time, kind of visit some of the people I know at some of the booths, kind of show you some of the products that they have, and come inside and we'll take a look. All right, so hey everybody, I'm inside the show and I'm over at the 4-7 Lures booth. This is Philip. I met him yesterday and he agreed to help me do a little bit of video for the channel. So yesterday I bought 2 bags of product from him. I bought the ribbon worm in bubble gum color, which is pink, and apparently he's sold out, which he told me this morning, so it's selling very well. And I also bought the crawler worm in a green pumpkin color, very popular here in North Carolina, green pumpkin, and the bubble gum. You know, when I first heard about the bubblegum color, I had to buy it just to have it in my tackle box. And we went up to Lake Michie in Bahama, North Carolina, and we went to the boathouse and we asked the guy, I said, hey, what are they hitting on? He said, pink worms. And my fishing partner laughed and he said, who fishes with a pink worm? And I was like, well, I have it. So sure enough, we used pink worms and we slayed them over at Lake Michie. Lake Michie's closed, unfortunately, right now due to some debris in the water. Hopefully it opens back up and we'll be lucky. But again, Philip, can you just introduce a little bit of your product? Tell us about you, where you're from, what kind of products you're selling, and how you enjoyed the show.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're 4-7 Lures. We're based out of Fuquay-Varina, North Carolina. So we're the hometown heroes, about 40 minutes away. We are at the Raleigh Bass and Saltwater Fishing Expo. So short little drive between me and here. We specialize in plastics that you will not necessarily find all the time on the open market. Things like this right here. This is a little flat shad, right? Probably haven't seen one of those before. And then we also specialize in colors that you won't really see anywhere else, or that you can't just go buy out of like Cabela's or a Bass Pro, right? So colors like, you know, chartreuse or, you know, like Junebug, those are pretty normal, but then you get the colors like, you know, methylate, right? Or bubblegum that you had mentioned, right? Right. Those colors are not really found on the open market, so we really try to specialize in all of those.
Okay. And where can they find your product if they're not here at the show, if you didn't come the last 2 days, today's the last day, where can they find your product?
www.47lures.com. And then we also have a little bit, we're starting to build more of a local retail presence. Awesome. If you're out of state, of course, there's several stores in Georgia. J.E. Womble, actually, out of Fuquay, we are establishing a presence with them as well. But mainly the website, 47lures.com. Okay,
I checked out the website yesterday. You're on all the social media platforms.
All the social media.
So if you buy this product and catch some fish with it, please make sure you tag them and post it, because I know I will this year when I do some fishing. If you watch my channel, you know I struggled last year getting out doing some fishing because of work and other things. I plan to hit it hard this year. That's a New Year's resolution I hope to keep, and I'll be sure using the 4-7 Lures product. So Phil, thank you for your product. Thanks for being here. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Take care.
Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.